Dear students, welcome to today's class. In the last class, we have seen the number of functions, all types of number of functions we have seen, and proofs are also I have given. Today I am going to explain about the concept functional equations. Okay, so from these functional equations, we are getting quite a number of good problems from JEE mains, NDA examinations, all those exams. Okay, now before starting this class, what is this functional equation? Very simple equation. Functional equation means what? Any equation involving functions is called a functional equation. For example, f of x plus 2 times f of 1 by x is equal to 3x, as it is called a functional equation. Why? It is an equation containing functions f of x, f of 1 by x, like that. Otherwise, if f of x is equal to cos of log x, okay, then what is the value of f of x into f of y minus 1 by 2 f of x into y. So this is also a functional equations is equal to some, if it is a equation 2, then what will be the value of something they will ask. So this type of problems we are going to discuss in this class. So while solving these type of problems, there are some short tricks are there. Okay, now. So if it is a function is of in this type of problem, then we will take that f of x is equal to like this. Okay, now. So first we will see that short trick formulas. Okay. So here there are some functional equations are there. Let us see these functional equations. So these formats are very important here. First one is, if f of x is a function, then such that if it is of the form f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y, then you can take f of x is equal to k power x. Understand? Sir, what is the proof for this, sir? Very easy proof this is. For example, f of x plus y means what? K power x plus y is equal to f of x means what? K power x into k power y. Is k power x plus y is equal to k power x into k power y? Yes, right. Therefore, that is a proof only. That means if you take f of x is equal to k power x, then this functional equation will be satisfied. Okay, now. So whenever if you come across such type of functional equations, f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y, immediately this should be that f of x is equal to k power x, where k is a positive real number. That should be strike in your mind. Okay. So here also, if f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y, then f of x is equal to kx. Here k is any real number, kx. Why? What are the proofs are? F of x plus y means what? K of x plus y is equal to. F of x means what? Kx. F of y means what? Ky. Is it not k of x plus y is equal to kx plus ky? Right. So whenever you come across such a type of functional equation, f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y, then you can take f of x is equal to kx. Okay, now. Right. So here also another functional equation is there. F of x into y is equal to f of x plus f of y. Then you can take f of x as a k times logarithm of x to the base a. So very easy. F of xy means what? So this is a log of k times log of xy to the base a. This is k times log x plus log y to the base a. Nothing but f of x means k times log x to the base a. F of y means k times log y to the base a. So very easy proof. This is also. So here also f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to f of x into f of 1 by x. Then you can take f of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x power n. So this is also a very important equation. Often we will come across this type of equations. You can do the proof. This is a 1 plus x power n plus 1 by x means 1 plus 1 by x whole power n. So if you simplify, and you will get f of x into f of 1 by x. So another functional equation is, if f of x plus y plus f of x minus y is equal to 2 times f of x into f of y is there. If any equation of this form, then you can take f of x as a k power x plus k power minus x upon 2, or you can take f of x is equal to cos x also. That means what? This is a solution for this functional equation. All these are all the solutions of these functional equations. Okay. So, if you remember these 5 formats, the problems will be very, very easy. Okay, na? So, let us see some problems based on these functional equations. Okay, na? Dear students, welcome to first problem regarding functional equations. Okay, the first problem is if f of x plus y is equal to f of x times f of y and f of 5 is equal to 32, then the value of f of 7 is. So, options are readily available. So, just now we have explained about this. If it is this format is there, f of x plus y is equal to f of x times f of x. This is a functional equation. The solution of this functional equation is f of x is equal to k power x, where k is a positive real number. That means why this solution satisfies the given functional equation. Okay, now right, already we got the function f of x is equal to k power x. Now it is given that to find the k value, it is given that f of 5 is equal to 32. That is f of 5 is equal to k power 5 is equal to 32. This implies k is equal to 2. Clear? So that means f of x is equal to 2 power x. So this is your required function. From that, whatever may be the value they asked, we can find out easily. So f of 7 is equal to 2 power 7. 2 power 7 is where answer is 128. So this is a very, very easy problem. The only thing is whenever such a type of functional equation is given, f of x plus y is equal to f of x times f of x y is given. So immediately f of x is equal to k power x. That should be strike in your mind. Otherwise, you can't do this problem. Okay, na? I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to second problem. The second problem is f of x is a function such that f of x into y is equal to f of x plus f of y, and it is given f of 2 is equal to 1. Then f of x is equal to what the answer. So here whenever it is given in this form, f of x into y is equal to f of x plus f of y. So it is a functional equation. So immediately the solution of this functional equation is f of x is equal to log x to the base a. F of x is equal to log x to the base a. So this is a solution which satisfies the given functional equation. Okay, now, so y log xy is equal to log x plus log y. Very easy one. So to find out the a value, it is given that f of 2 is equal to 1. That is f of 2 is equal to log 2 to the base a, that is given as 1. So this is equal to 2 is equal to a power 1, a is equal to 2, a is equal to 2. Therefore, what is your function? F of x is equal to log x to the base a value is 2. So your answer is option A. The thing is here, the question is here, generally students immediately this type of problems are given. So they are try different methods they will start to try. Why? Because the generally somebody take x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, like that they will do. Somebody take x is equal to 2. If you take x is equal to 2, so f of 2y is equal to f of 2 plus f of y. Again f of 2 means what? 1. Like that they start doing different methods. The one and only easy method is if you take f of x is equal to log x to the base a, the problem will be over. So for that I have given already some 5 formats I have given. So remember those 5 formats and write the formats for a number of times, so that immediately you will get this whenever such type of problems are given. So f of x is equal to log x to the base a. That will be strike in your mind. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to the problem. This problem is asked in JEE Mains 2016. The problem is f of x plus 2 times f of 1 upon x is equal to 3x. Of course, x not equal to 0. Then the set x belongs to R such that f of x is equal to f of minus x. Then yes, then he is asking how many elements S contains. contains more than 2 elements, it is an empty set, contains exactly one element, contains exactly 2 elements. So this is a functional equation, that is f of x is equal to 2 times f of 1 by x plus 3x. If you see the just now I have given some 5 formats, nothing will coincides with this equation. Okay, now but how to do this type of problems? But all problems we can't follow the short tricks just given in the just now I have given, but this we will proceed in a different way. If it is given from this, what is that? F of x plus 2 times f of 1 upon x is equal to 3x. You call it as first equation. From this, we want f of x. We want f of x. How to get f of x? So remember, this type of problems can be done in a one format, that is wherever x is there, replace with 1 by x. See what happens. So this is a f of 1 by x plus 2 times f of x is equal to 3 by x. Call it as second equation. See here, we want f of x. Here this is an equation containing f of x and f of 1 by x. It is also f of 1 by x and 2 times f of x. We want f of x. We want f of x. That means f of 1 by x should be removed. Here 2 times f of 1 by x. So if it is a 2 is there, if you multiply with the 2 and subtract, automatically we will get f of x. Okay, now so multiply the second equation with 2. So this is equal to 2 times f of 1 by x plus 4 times f of x is equal to 6 by x. Call it as third equation. Very easy. Therefore third equation minus first equation will give. So that is a minus minus minus. Sorry, here minus minus minus. Here minus 2 times f of x plus 2 times f of x will get cancelled. 4 f of x plus f of x. So this is a 3 times f of x. This is a 6 by x minus 3 by x. 3, 6, 3. You can cancel easily. Therefore f of x is equal to 2 upon x minus x. This is your f of x. Understand this? So such type of problems can be solved using replacing x with upon 1 by x. If you get this idea, if you get this idea, the problem is over. The only thing is, so this is the idea you have to get. That's all. This is idea. If you get that idea, the problem is over. Right? Now we will proceed the problem. F of x is equal to f of minus x. It is given. F of x value is 2 upon x minus x is equal to f of minus x means what? Wherever x is there, substitute minus x. This is minus 2 by x plus x. So if you bring one side, so this is equal to 4 by x is equal to 2 by x. So this is 2 by x is equal to x. X square is equal to 2. X is equal to plus or minus root 2. So this is x is equal to plus or minus root 2 you got. That means what? X belongs to real numbers. That means this set contains exactly 2 elements. That is, one is plus root 2, another one is minus root 2. So very, very easy problem. It was asked in 2016 JEE mains examination. The only thing is you have to get an idea that x should be replaced with 1 by x, so that 1 by x should be will be cancelled. You will get f of x. After that, everybody can do. Okay, now I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, let us see the next problem. If f of x is equal to x minus a times x minus b upon x, and it is given by f of x upon x minus y times x minus z plus f of y upon y minus z into y minus x plus f of z upon z minus x times z minus y is equal to k upon xyz, then the value of k is. So how to proceed this type of problems means, so you have to find out here right side you see k times xyz. Okay, now so for this let us remove this f of y or f of z or f of x, any two, if you remove any two things, the problem will be easy. So for example, it is given f of x is equal to this. What about f of y value? Y minus a, y minus b by y. What is f of z value? F of x value, you know. What is f of y and f of z? I am telling. Finding z minus a times z minus b by z. So to make f of y, I am making f of y, f of z 0. F of y and f of z 0. You can make f of x and f of y 0, whatever may be that. So I am making f of y and f of z is 0. So for that, what I have to put? Put y is equal to a and z is equal to b. If you put z is equal to b, see here, if you put y is equal to a minus a 0. So therefore f of a is equal to 0. Okay, na? Right. F of z, here also substitute 0. So f of b is equal to 0. Understand this? Now your problem will become f of x by wherever a is there, substitute y, x minus a. This is x minus a, x minus b, plus this becomes 0. F of this is becomes 0, this becomes 0. Okay, na? Is equal to k times x, y, z. K times x, y, z. Now coming to your problem. So here, see the problem here. F of x is equal to x minus a times x minus b by x. Bring this side. F of x upon x minus a into x minus b value is how much? 1 by x. So this value is how much? 1 by x is equal to k times x, y, z. K times x, y, z. Therefore, you can cancel. Here in place of y, you have to keep a. In place of z, you have to keep b. Okay, now. So this is also ab. X cancel, k is equal to ab. Therefore, option C is the right answer. So very easy problem. The only thing is, whenever such type of equations are given, you should be concentrate to eliminate any two, either yz or xy or xz. So I am trying to eliminate f of y and f of z. For that, what you have to make? Okay, na? That is the thing that I have made. Okay, na? So very easy problem this is. I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Welcome to this problem. If f satisfies the relation f of x plus y plus f of x minus y is equal to 2 times f of x times f of y for all x comma y belongs to real numbers, and f of 0 is not equal to 0, then is asked to find out f of 10 minus f of minus 10. For this type of problems also, so here it is given one relation, here it is given one functional equation, it is given. From this we have to take out f of x value. For this, how to proceed? The thing is, we have to get idea only. So let y is equal to x. Let us see what happens. Y is equal to x. So this is f of 2x. F of 2x, it becomes 0. So this is equal to f of x. This is also f of x. So 2 times f of x whole square. Sorry, this is a f of 0. Since f of 0 is not equal to 0, so this is f of 2x plus f of 0 you have to write down. Why? Because f of 0 value is not 0. So f of 0 you have to write down, right? So this is a one equation, right? Let us take y is equal to minus x. If it is minus x, what happens? It is y value is minus x. This will become, this is minus x, minus of minus x plus 2x. That means again you are getting f of 0 plus f of 2x is equal to y is equal to minus x. Wherever x is there, you put y is equal to minus x. So this is a 2 times f of x into f of minus x. Okay, now? So this is the things we get. So what do you observe from these two equations? This is f of 2x plus f of 0. This is f of 0 plus f of 2x. The left hand side quantities are equal. Can't it be right hand side quantities are equal? What are the right hand side quantities? 2 times f of x whole square is equal to 2 times f of x into f of minus x. Since f of 0 is not equal to 0, f of 0 is not equal to 0, you can cancel f of x. You can cancel f of x on both sides. So 2 also you can cancel. Therefore, f of x is equal to f of minus x. That is f of x minus f of minus x is equal to 0. That's all. X minus x. 10 minus 10. Your answer is 0. Option B is your right answer. Not only f of 10 minus f of minus 20. F of 2023 minus, I am writing f of 2023 minus f of minus 2023 is also 0. This type of problems may be asked in JEE mains next 2023 JEE mains examination. Okay, na? The only thing is what the idea you have to get is here y is equal to x, y is equal to minus x. Okay, na? Right. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Now I am going to explain a problem which was given in 2016. This is a 2016 problem, right? See here, by seeing the problems, don't get any thanks or anything, but just to read the problem. What is that problem? X is a real number. Of course, you should not take 0 and you should not take 1. And one function is given f naught of x is equal to 1 upon 1 by n s x, and there is a recurrence formula. We call it as this type of formulas we call it as a recurrence formula. F of n plus 1 times x is equal to f naught times fn of x, where n is equal to 0, 1 to. Why? Because indefinite integrals also have a recurrence formulas. Why? Because as you start putting n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, the number of functions will be generated. We can generate number of functions from this recurrence formula, right? Then the value of f100 of 3 plus f1 of 2 by 3 plus f2 of 3 by 2 is, right? Very easy problem. From this recurrence formula, we can find out f1 of 2 by 3, f2 of 3 by 2, f100 of 3 by 2. Now first I am going to try to do this problem. I am going to find out the value of f of 1, 2 by 3. So I want to get f of 1. It is given f naught, f1. If we want to put n, if I want to get f of 1, n should be equal to 0. N should be equal to 0. If put n is equal to 0, what you will get? f1 of x is equal to f naught of x. This is f naught of x is equal to given how much? 1 upon 1 minus x. Okay, so what is f naught of 1 by 1 minus x means? This is equal to 1 upon 1 minus, in place of x we will put, right. So this is LCM in the numerator, it will go. So this is a 1 minus x minus will get plus 1 minus will get cancel minus x. So you can write down x minus 1 upon x. Okay, so f1 of x is given, we got that, x minus 1 upon x. From this we can find out f1 of 2 by 3. 2 by 3, wherever x is there you can put 2 by 3. Very happy. This is over. Now I am going to find out f2 of 3 by 2. To get f2 I have to put n is equal to 1. Now substitute n is equal to 1. f2 of x is equal to f naught fixed, f1 of x. Okay, now wherever n is there I have substituted 1. This implies f naught of f1 of x value is how much? X minus 1 upon x. X minus 1 upon x. What is f naught of x minus 1 upon x? So this is here 1 minus of 1 minus x minus upon x. Okay, na? Right. From this we can take x numerator. This is x minus x plus x minus x cancel plus 1. On the whole you will get x value. f2 of x is equal to x. Happy. This also over. Now f100 of x. From this recurrence formula, f100 means here find out 99. If you observe here, f3 of x is equal to f3 of x is equal to f3 of x means what you have to put? N is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. So f of 2. f of 2 means what? Again, f of 2 means x. F naught of x means what? Again, 1 by 1 minus x you will get. So, try to understand here. F3 of means you have to get 3 means you have to substitute 2. Here 2. F2 of x, how much we got? X. F naught of x value is equal to how much? 1 upon 1 minus x. If you proceed further, we got F2 of x is equal to x. If we proceed further, if we proceed like this, we will get F3 of x is equal to F1 of x. F3 of x is equal to F1 of x, and F4 of x is equal to F1 of x. So on, F100 of x is equal to F1 of x. F100 of x is equal to F1 of x. Okay now, right. So, everything we got, F1 of x, F2 of x, F100 of x values also F1 of x we got. Okay, now we will substitute these values in here, we will get the answer. Okay now. Now coming to our problem here, F100 of 3 means what? F1 of 3 plus F1 of 3 by, sorry, this is F1 of 2 by 3 plus F2 of 3 by 2 values we are going to write. Right. What is F1 of 3 value? F1 of 3 value is 1 minus 1 upon 3 plus F1 of 2 by 3 is equal to how much? 1 minus 3 by 2 plus F2 of 3 by 2 means x. X means what? Same 3 by 2 you will get. Okay now, right. So, if you simplify this 1 minus 3, so you will get 5 by 3. So, therefore, 5 by 3 is your correct answer. Understand? So, I hope that you understand this solution. So, in the next class, we will come with some more problems which were asked in the previous JEE mains examinations. Until then, all the best.